Students can check the grades and the results if you allow it. And it looks like this. When they review their test, they can see this is an essay question, so they can see what they said the answer was, what the posted answer was, and whether they got a point for it or not. The way that they check this is the common way is to click up here in notifications and go into grades. When they do that, they can see grades, they can see the courses that have external grades on them. I'll show you what that means in just a moment. But here's one course, the course in question, and they can see how well they're doing is in the weighted total. But more importantly, when they go down to the test, they can click on the test. They can click on this score that they got. The test theoretically can be taken more than one time, so there could be more than one rows. But in this case, it's only allowed to be taken once, and so they click on that, and now they can see these answers. Another way that they can test it is Tools My Grades, and they get to the same place, or on their iPhones or Androids. So I mentioned that that there needs to be an external grade, and that's this green check mark. If something doesn't have an external grade, which said as external grade, if this didn't, then they wouldn't be able to see it up here in notifications, but they would be able to see it in Tools My Grades. However, they can only see the test if, one, I haven't hidden it from students. This is sometimes popular to do while you're grading, to hide it and then unhide it. And then two, when the tests were, when it was made available down in the bottom where I have checked all of them to allow students to see the correct answer and what they submitted. If none of these were checked, they'd only be able to see the score that they got, 3 out of 3 in this case. And that is how students see their grades.